Now, on the, and then maliciously, what is it that she said about me? You said I was tricky. Ready? Okay, I'm gonna say, guys, be quiet. Be quiet. I'm gonna say, you're going to have on the test stereochemistry. No, don't put the stuff in my
No,
face.
no, no, I'm putting it over there.
Flame paralyzed light.
Stereochemistry. You have to know what is R, what is S. You have to know how to draw them. You have to know if I give you two, if they are the same or if they are enantiomers. You have to be able to draw the mirror image of things. You have to know what plane polarized light is and how we use that plane polarized light to determine if something is chiral or not chiral. You have to know what meso compounds are. You have to know what diastereomers are. I'm going to give you a list of things. You tell me, diastereomer, enantiomer, this and that. Okay?
What about the D and L from the polarized?
You have to know about, not D and L. You have to know about enantiomeric excess. Remember that equation of the alpha blah blah blah? You have to know what that means. You do have to know that if it rotates plane polarized light to the right, this is called plus. If it rotates plane polarized light to the left, it's called minus. You have to know that the RS system has nothing to do with that minus and that plus. Yes? One of them could be R and be minus, and another one could be R and be plus. Those signs have nothing to do with R and S. R and S is what we humans did to find out, you know, whatever. Okay? Then what else do we have to do?
Optical.
Yeah, you have to know what optical activity is, like the definition of it. Okay, you have to know the definition of enantiomers and diastereomers. And then we're going to have alkenes. I am going to put every single reaction of alkenes and alkynes on that test. You hear me? I do care about functional groups, but functional groups will be, the questions I put on the test is 3 points for you. Okay, I'm going to ask you, what is an aldehyde? What is a ketone? How stupid is that? Okay?
That's not stupid, that's pretty.
That is stupid, but I'm going to ask you anyway, so you guys can earn some points.
What about IHD
You have to know how to calculate IHDs.
and constitutional isomers?
You have to know how to do some constitutional isomers. We did not spend a lot of time on that, but you'll have to know how to draw some of them since I didn't put it on the first test.
What about Navy compounds with R and S?
Of course, but I care more that you know that they are R or S.
And non-superimposing.
Yes, non-superimposable is a definition of enantiomers. All the reactions for alkenes, all the reactions for alkynes, stereochemistry of the alkenes and alkynes. You have to know about stability of the double bonds. You have to know about nomenclature. You have to know nomenclature of alkenes and alkynes. You have to know all mechanisms. I'm going to put at least 3 mechanisms on that test, and you can bet money. I'm going to put one either on oxymercuration, demercuration, or hydroboration. And I'm going to choose some of the other ones. Do not think that because they are hard, they're not going to be on the test. Do not think that. Do not think that because they are easy, they are going to be on the test. No. Think of it, all of it is going to be on the test. You either know it or you don't. If you don't, that's okay.
What about the 2 times, 3 times? That
I don't know what you're talking about, 2 times, 3 times. For me, it's lots of times.
When you know, oh, this goes 2 times and then it's 100.
What is that called? 2 times.
What goes 2 times and 3 times? I don't know.
That's the one type.
What is 2 times? Tell me.
No, when you said that this reaction goes under this exact same thing 2 more times and then it turns into this.
Crazy stuff.
Oh yeah, that's hydroboration oxidation. You diluted that mechanism to 2 times?
Exactly, yeah, 2 times. And the final product was a
Okay guys, you can bounce. Because these girls